king has narrated the whole tale. It is now left for us to speak.
Your Majesty, the story is very, very, very clear. It wasn't your fault. Had it been you were told earlier what happened, or you saw the letter she wrote before now, we will not be discussing this thing. Now, we'll be discussing something else. And let me ask you this. What about if he is your flesh and your own blood?
Ikemba, speak for yourself. Speak for yourself. As for me, it is no. Capital no. This boy could be an impostor. Someone we know nothing about. And we are already accepting him as part of us. Heir to the throne of Obodoku kingdom. We should not forget the consequences if at the end of the day it is discovered that he's not a son of the soil.
My elders,
Your Majesty.
Please calm down. It may interest you to know that the DNA test has already been conducted.
Oh.
It was not me that insisted.
Igwe, what was the result?
The result says that I am his father.
Aywa, don't rejoice yet. Hold on. Your Majesty, are you sure that there was no mix-up somewhere?
I will hold it there. Why do you continue to ask all these useless questions that does not make any sense? I know you very well.
Ikemba, don't shut me up like that again. Since we'll be here discussing, you have not said anything meaningful. So don't shut me up. Only there, keep quiet, my friend.
I know you cannot do anything than to cause chaos in this place.
You are the person causing chaos here.
It is you!
You are the one causing chaos here.
Agu.
Yes.
Please, calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. Tell him to calm down. He's been causing chaos here. Not me.
You're not solving issues here.
Says who?
Says me, Ejiofor.
Listen, Ejiofor. You may be richer than me in monetary terms. But when it comes to wisdom, I'm superior to you. You cannot shut me up, neither Ikemba. Only the king, our king here, can tell me to shut up and I do so. Not the two of you.
Agu.
Yes.
Agu.
Yes.
I think you need to be checked.
You are sick. You are the one who requires checkup. You are sick. You need medication.
Agu.
You are sick. You require medication. You are sick. Sit down there. Your Majesty. Your Majesty.
Hey, Your Majesty.
Hey.
Amod, have you heard any news about the king?
Well, they haven't returned except Ebele.
And what did she say?
Well, when I asked Ebele, she said she was not in a good mood. So I just decided to leave her.
Maybe the situation is worse. What do you think?
Ha! Ndidi!
What is it?
Must you be like this?
Well, I am sure that he will be fine.
We pray so.
I'm very sure about that.
We pray so. We pray so. The king is a nice man. We pray so.
That's how they behave, especially that Edago that keep head like a masquerade. Right. That man.
That man. I've never liked him for once. When others are thinking right, he's always thinking left.
My dear, but why are all these elders behaving like this? They know that the king is having health challenge, yet they are fighting in his presence.
I don't know. I don't know.
I wonder why he was given that title in the first place.
Well, it's not his fault. The title was meant for his elder brother, which is Chinasa's father. Before the coronation, he died. So the king does not have any other option than to give it to him.
Anyways, that man was a good man, no? Eh?
He was.
He was a very good person.
We just wish it was him.
Adaeze, you don't have to be worried. Your father will be fine. Nothing will happen to him.
The funny thing is that the doctor can't even state the cause of his illness.
But Adaeze, if your father the king will agree to see this man I have been telling you about, I believe there's going to be a solution.
But you said that the man is not around.
Yes, but he's back.
Alright then, I'm going to speak to Osita. Maybe he might listen to Osita.
Yes, sure he will. Because whatever Osita says now, the king will agree because he wants him close to himself.
You and Osita have known for a very long time before he even got to know me as his sister. Please.
Well, that is a good idea. But first, you have to go and rest. Okay.
Alright. Thank you.
I see you later. Okay?
Okay. My princess, are you still like this? If you continue getting worried like this, you will fall sick. I've been with my father all my life. I'm so attached to him. Right now, I'm so scared. I don't want to lose him.
My princess, you will not lose him. At least, Osita is there to take care of him.
That's the problem. Osita is meant to be here, taking care of the palace while I'm there with him. He doesn't know him too well. He doesn't know how to take good care of him, I'm sure.
My princess, don't forget Prince Osita was a prince in the community where he grew up. I believe he has the capacity to handle situations like this.
But I'm still worried. What if my father wakes up and doesn't see me around?
My princess, you worry too much. I believe he has the right words or right way to convince the king about this. You agree with me that Prince Osita has no knowledge about anything in this palace. Then you who grew up here.
Can you please do me a favor?
I'm all yours, my princess. Just ask. I'm at your service. Hey, good day.
Good day. You're from the palace, right?
Yes, I'm from the palace. I'm Ebele by name.
Okay.
I'm actually on my way to your house. Is your sister home?
My house? No, she's not around. Hope all is well.
All is well. Just that the princess needs her service.
I will inform her when she returns.
Alright. You have this. Give it to her when she returns. And please, after receiving that, make sure she don't keep the princess with you. She should report to the palace immediately.
I assure you, she will definitely come because it's a royal message from the princess.
Yeah, it's a royal message. And the princess must not be kept waiting.
Okay.
Alright, sorry. Remind me your name again, please.
My name is Isioma.
Okay. I'm Ebele, like I said.
Okay.
Okay, do have a nice day.
Thank you.
Where did you get that story from? It was my neighbor that went to visit someone in the hospital. He even said his son signed for him before he was admitted. Son? But our king does not have a son. Even me, I was shocked too. Because the only person I know is Daisy. I guess you didn't hear correctly. Maybe something is wrong with your ear or something. I'm telling you what he said, and you are telling me that something is wrong with my ear. Abele, you and I know that our king does not have a son. So which son signed? Maybe my neighbor is mistaking one of his relatives to be his son. I don't know. Maybe. That should be the case, so because a king I know does not have a son. Maybe you're mistaken or something. But wait, is our king sick? I should be asking you that because your father is one of the elders in the palace. Well, is your father not an elder in the palace?
Don't even go there. You know things are not going well between us. And he's a difficult man.
Our king is a very nice person. Nothing should happen to him. I don't want our king to die. He's so nice to die.
Nothing will happen to him. He will recover quickly.
Amen. Amen.
My sister, let me go. My father said I should do something in the house.
Okay, me too. Okay.
Isioma, what is wrong with you? And what is your problem, Nwa? Somebody came here, gave you a closed envelope. You collected it without telling the person to open it in front of you. And what if this is a bomb and the thing exploded and kill you like that? Why is she laughing? No, what's funny? You think I'm joking with you? Eh?
It's funny now. The princess cannot send a bomb letter to you. And besides, she said your COVID is for good.
If I slap you,
Let me see.
Now listen. Listen and listen good. When next somebody brings an envelope or a box, anything, whatever be the parcel that is closed, tell the person to open it in front of you before the person leaves. Ini Edo. Did you hear me?
So what if it explodes on us?
Do I look like I'm playing with you? No, Isioma, do I look like I'm... Did you see my... If I forget my hand on your face, say, are you mad?
But you know it's wrong to open a letter that is sent to you by the princess. What if it's confidential?
What if it's what?
Chinasa, you're overreacting. You're blowing this whole thing out of proportion. The princess is your friend. I'm sure she means well for you.
No, Mama, you are not getting the whole point. I am not saying the princess is a bad person. I'm only saying, what if this is not from the princess? We have to be very careful. That's what I'm teaching this girl. But she has refused to learn. I'm over. Why would the princess give me money?
When you get to her, you find out. Calm down. This money will come handy for us. We've been crying for money in this house, and then this is God's sense, don't you think? It's okay, calm down.
How are we even sure it's from the princess now, Mama?
You will find out.
Want it, you can give it to me because it's going to go a long way paying up our rent.
What did you say?
Chinasa.
If you don't get out of my way, I will stamp my fist on your face. Are you mad?
Oh, yeah, pass.
Am I the one you're talking to like that?
Chinasa! Calm down. Let's go.
Mama, this girl is too stubborn.
It's okay.
You've been telling her something. Mama, you're spoiling this girl. Oh.
I'm not spoiling her.
No, you're spoiling her. Somebody brought money. We're not even sure if it's from the princess. You people are planning on how to spend it.
It's okay. Calm down.
Is that how desperate we've become? I don't like
But you know we need money in this house.
Even as that, Mama, we have to be sure of where the money came from. That's my point.
I was told you went out.
Yes, the princess sent me on an errand.
And you did tell me. You know it's not safe out there now.
I didn't tell you. And where is this stated that I must take permission from you before running an errand for the princess?
No, it's for your safety. At least I would have appointed one of the guards to accompany you. Yes, now.
As the princess, huh? I don't need all that. Just leave me alone, please. I'm not in a good mood, please.
Listen, you know you are precious to me. So it is my duty to protect you.
Ebuka, leave me alone. And stop all this your daydreaming, please.
Ebuka, why are you staring at her like that? It's as if you've never seen her before.
So, how is it a crime if I stare at her? Is it your business? Is it a crime for me to admire something beautiful?
Ebuka, don't you think it's better you declare your intention one-on-one? Then you will know if she's in love with you.
Advisor. Listen, I don't even need to waste my time talking to you. As you can see, I'm on my way out to the hospital. You and Amechi should watch over this palace, so I don't want to come back and hear stories. If you like, play around.
That's it. You and Amechi should take over the palace. If you like, play around. I beg.
What did I hear you say?
Yes, we'll take care of the palace. Don't worry, you can go. We'll take over the palace.
Better.
I don't understand where this question of fiancé is coming from.
Do you have a boyfriend?
I'm just curious to know.
But the young man and I just met 2 days ago and we became friends. He's a nice person.
Just like that?
What do you mean just like that? Is it wrong for me to be friends with somebody who is a nice person? He's a very nice person and we just clicked and became friends.
No problem. Just, no problem. It's okay.
Princess, she's here.
Good evening, my princess.
You're welcome. Please sit. I better thank you. Can you excuse us?
My princess. Good evening.
Actually, Chinasa, there's nothing good about the evening.
My princess, what is it? Did anything happen?
I need you to sing me a song that can erase my fears and worries. Please.
Of course I will sing you a song, my princess, but I also need to know what exactly is bothering you or what the problem is so I can channel your feelings to the song.
It's my father. He's at the hospital. He's so sick. And I was asked to come here at the palace to take care of things. While my brother stays with him in the hospital, and all this has just beclouded my mind. I'm so scared. I don't know how to wrap my head around the situation. I don't know how to take care of things. I don't know what is next.
My princess, I am so sorry about the king. But did I hear you mention you have a brother?
Chinasa, please, I did not invite you here to deliberate on that. Can you please sing for me?
Okay, my princess. Pain may come, but it will last forever. Sorrows may come, but it won't last forever. No matter what the fears are, no matter what the pain is, no matter what you're going through, I just want you to know that it won't last forever. So why don't you live your life? Why don't you leave the day with the past beautiful memories? So why don't you think of tomorrow? 'Cause tomorrow will always be better. It will never the pain.
Ebuka. No. No, no. No! No!
So as it is now, the king is no more. Eh? Hi, Dev. He was such a good man, loved by his people. Hi! If I tell you that this king's death is not paining me, then I'll be lying to myself. I feel so pained. Such a good man. Eh? Hey!
How did he die? Was he sick?
Hey.
They said he was sick, and that the sickness is hereditary.
Chineke, the sickness, hereditary, which means...
From what they are saying, I think that was what killed the king before him, his father.
He runs in his family. Hi. This is sad. So they couldn't even do anything about it.
Well, they tried it. According to what he said, he's been in the hospital for some days now.
Yeah. I can imagine what the princess will be going through now.
That was why I had to stay back yesterday night.
You did well, my daughter.
I had to spend the night with her. Because I couldn't leave her like that.
That was the proper thing for you to do. You did well. Hi, may you so rest in peace.
Amen.
You were such a good man. I'm really pained though.
It's so sad. Like, you need to see how broken the princess was.
I know she will. She will
I
be
feel,
so
I
depressed.
feel so sad for her. She couldn't stop crying.
Chai. This is really bad.
Very bad.
I can imagine what she's passing through now.
Someone please get me water.
I get her water.
Okay.
Come and sit.
Father's death was such a dreadful one. Daddy was the best Oboduku ever had as a leader. His death is something else. I mean, it just comes with a personal anguish. I don't know if I'll ever get over it. Daddy was my everything. He was my all in all. Now how will I cope?
I'm sorry about the way you feel. I'm aware that you miss him so much. And it is so because you were the closest to him. You spent almost all your life with him. Good thing is, he's very proud of you. I am proud of you as well. And I promise to continue protecting you. And I'll keep being your brother. I'll always be there for you.
Thank you.
Greetings, my prince. Greetings, my princess. Obina is here to see you.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, ma'am. I will be outside in case you need my help.
Sure.
Alright, my princess. Okay.
Adeze, you don't have to occupy your mind with the loss of your father. You have to take care of yourself. You have to be strong for yourself and for your community.
I will. Thank you so much, Obina. I don't know what I would have done without you ever since I got that despicable news. Your words has just been my courage. They're just like a pillar that holds my being. Thank you.
Don't worry. I will always stand by you. You are my love.
Thanks.
Well, if Osita comes back, tell him I've left.
Sure, I will.
I trust Osita. I know he'll be there for me in my absence to take care of you 24/7.
Well, I barely know him, I just hope so.
Don't worry. I will not stay too long in the city. I will just go and finalize the project and I will come back. Okay?
Alright. Thank you. I'll be waiting.
Hello.
Osita.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm okay. Where are you going?
I'm going to the palace. I want to see the princess.
What for? What are you going there for?
She just lost her father, the king, so I'm going to pay my condolence to her.
Oh, I see. Come in, let me drop you off.
Oh, really? Yes. Okay. Thank you.
What is Chinasa doing with Osta? Hey! I must get rid of this guy. If it is what I'm thinking. He's supposed to know that here is Oboduku, not Afanasa. Eh? He cannot come to Oboduku and mess up with me now. I'll get you.
The last time I saw you, you were asking for direction to the palace. You seem to have a relative working in the palace.
I'm from this community.
Really?
Yeah. Adeze is my sister. My kid sister, actually.
You're very funny.
I'm serious.
No, that's a big lie. Because the first time I saw you, you introduced yourself as a stranger. And truth be told, I believed you because I have never set my eyes on you in this kingdom.
Let's say it's a story for another day. Adeze is waiting for you, so I'll see you around, huh?
No problem. Thank you once again.
Okay, bye-bye.
I truly understand how you feel. I know what it's like to lose a father. Especially a father who played the role of a mother and also his own boy. But I need you to find solace in the fact that though he might not be here, but he left a good legacy. If you feel like crying, cry. Let out your emotions. Don't suppress it. And I also want you to don't let your grief linger. Because with time, I believe everything will be fine.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much, Chinasa, for coming through. Alright, I truly appreciate.
You're welcome, my princess. And I pray that God gives you the heart to bear this loss and get over it.
Amen. Thanks again.
You're welcome. My princess, on my way coming here, I met a man, a young man. He said his name is Osita.
Oh, that's my brother. My elder brother, to be precise.
Wait. So you mean to tell me that that man that came here the other day is Princess Adeze's elder brother?
My darling, I was shocked when I heard it.
Hey!
And to crown it all, Princess even attested to it. She confirmed it.
Hey!
His name is Prince Osita.
Eh? What a small word. So it was the prince that brought your mama here the other day. Hey! What a privilege. Now my sister is... Oh! The friend to the prince of this community. Oh! I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy.
That's what? Did I win lottery?
Yeah, I'm happy now. So you can go to the palace anytime you want to.
And do what? Like I don't have things to do.
Maybe you should help me talk to the prince now.
You talk to the prince about what?
That your sister needs a job in the palace now. Please.
You need a job in the palace?
Yeah, I don't want to be staying at home again.
Auntie, you're not going to work there.
Why?
Because I said so. There is no job any other place. It's in the palace you want to go and work. You've not said what you want to go there. And I can go inside and continue with what you're doing. What?
My elders, I welcome you all.
Thank you very much, my prince.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
On behalf of my sister and I'd like to appreciate your efforts towards the success of my father's funeral. May the gods reward you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, my prince.
Well, I want to go straight to the point. Prince Osita, you are the only son of the late king. And that makes you the heir to the throne. According to our tradition, in 49 days' time, you will be crowned the king of Oboduku Kingdom. You must prepare for the task ahead. Because the throne cannot be left empty.
My prince, he is very, very correct. You see the throne, you can look at it, smell it, but you cannot get there and sit on it until you pick a wife.
Yes.
My elders, thank you for your concern. To cut a long story short, I have someone in mind to marry. I have decided to marry her because we understand each other. We love each other. And what makes it beautiful is she is a white woman.
Abomination, God forbid. No! No! She must come from this community.
Exactly. But my prince, don't worry yourself about it. I have a very beautiful daughter with 7-up, figure 8. Very beautiful. And
he came
let
back.
me finish, my friend. What are you going to
Keep
quiet. Let me.
Please allow the prince to make his choice. Yes!
When I'm talking, you're talking. Do you have a daughter?
What do you call a daughter? Is it that your frog-like, ape-like daughter?
Ejiofor, you don't even have a quarter daughter. Aping daughter, you don't have.
Is that why you want to insult me here? Because I don't have a daughter.
And if I insult you, what will happen?
Look, I will beat you up.
Beat me up?
I will beat you up.
Oh, yeah, try it.
I will beat you up.
Try it.
I will beat you up.
Try it.
Ejiofor.
Try.
I don't know. He's still nowhere to be found. I've called him, he's not taking his calls. I've sent him a message, he's not responding, nothing of that sort. And no one knows where he is. Yeah, please, you need to. Whenever you call him and he picks whatever he says, please just let me know, okay? No, he needs to get used to it. It's not every time the elders are having a fight in the palace, he gets up and leaves. No. Yeah, sure. All right, Obina, thank you. Bye-bye.
My princess, I was not there, but Ogechi told me about it.
Sita, come on. Why will he leave the elders in such way?
My princess, you don't have to worry. He'll be back soon.
So what about the guards?
I don't have idea. Easy. You can go. Where are my princess?
My princess, you sent for me.
I was told you followed Osita.
Yes, my princess. But he refused to come with me.
He refused to come with you? That's all you have to say? Can you hear yourself out? You're a guard. And your duty is to always be with the prince. That is the heir to the throne we're talking about here. And you just let him go like that? Huh? Listen, your duty here is to always be with him. You and Ebuka shouldn't leave his side until he goes to bed. Okay, what if something happened to him now? What will we do? Please, this should never repeat itself again. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, my princess.
You can go.
You need to see them, Okechi. The fight was so serious. You know that troublesome Eda?
Edagu?
Yes. You need to see how Eda Ikemba raised and wiped him on the floor.
Hey, Ndidi Biakwa. Eh? Look, I disagree with you. I totally disagree with you on this one. The Eda might have battle words among themselves, but they won't go beyond their limits. Don't tell me that.
Stop that. I'm telling you what I saw. I was there when the fight was going on.
Where? Ndidi Sibuonwegi. You and I know that you can't be there except you're in the palace when the whole thing is going on. Yes. You can't even peep. People because the guards are everywhere watching. So don't say what you don't know.
Well, I just wanted to add spices to the gist so that it will be sweet.
Please call the crab. It's not sweet. Interesting. Excuse me.
I told you Osita is the prince that people are talking about. He is the heir to the throne. Awele, you're sounding serious, so. I was even speechless when the palace guards bowed their heads and addressed him as a prince. They even asked him to come to the palace.
Wait, oh. So Chinasa is aware of this and kept it as a secret from us? How?
That's your cousin, eh? She's too deep. I don't trust her anymore.
Wait, oh. That means that very day she told us she was needed at the palace urgently. It was Osita that sent for her.
And she lied to us. And it was Princess Adeze.
Even the money she told us about, it was Osita that gave it to her.
That girl is a betrayer. I believe she's keeping all these things away from us so she can be the only one to benefit from the prince.
Chinasa. Hey, Chinasa.
Ndidi, come here.
Epka.
Ndidi, what is this news that I'm hearing from the other mates? That you were there when the elders were fighting. You equally told them that Eda Ikeba smashed Eda Agu on the floor. To some, you said once. To others, you said 3 times. And you know that you weren't there when all this thing took place.
This maze will not stop. I didn't measure 2 or 3 times. I only told them that I saw Eda Ikemba smash him down on the ground. Us.
But were you there? When did it happen? Were you there? Listen, I won't warn you again. Let this folk thing stop here now. Because I will just go and report to the prince direct.
Ebuka, take it easy. Biko. It was because I saw the interest in your eyes. So I decided to add some things to make it look more interesting. Okay?
You heard what I said. Don't repeat this again. Hence, you know what I will do to you.
Awele. So this is why you two called me out here. No, is this the reason you called me out here? To talk about this?
Is it wrong to invite you to hear from you? You betrayed us, your friends. What are you hiding anyway?
Eva now. Maybe she thinks she's not part of the royal family. She's no longer in our level. Level will change, you
Choma, even you. No, Choma, even if Awele does not know how much I cherish our relationship, our friendship, you of all people, you know how much I cherish this friendship. For how long have we been friends? Since childhood. And you think I would hide anything from you two? No, really, you think I would hide anything from you two without any good reason? Eh? We were right then.
Yes.
Right about what?
Chinasa, if you're cutting him, it's fine, no. But we are friends. You should have let us know now. Do you know if Awele here has eyes on him?
You see what you caused? You started it. Did you know that we're blaming mad? Blah, 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 blah.
Hey, madam, come back here. What is the meaning of all these things you are doing? Can't you keep your mouth shut if you don't know how to talk?
And what's the meaning of this? Where is all this coming from?
Hello, stop that pretense, like as if you don't know what I'm talking about.
What pretense and what are you talking about?
Well, let this serve as a warning to you. Anytime you spread news around about me that is false, you won't like what I will do to you.
Hey, Mamokuneze. And what will you do? Look, and next time you will talk to me in this manner again, I will beat you like a baby that you are. Are you mad?
Did I just hear you say you
I said I will beat you like a baby that you are. I said I will beat you. I'll beat you. I'll beat you today. You think I said I will beat you.
Stop it. What's this?
I said I will beat you. It's okay. What's happening?
What's the meaning of this?
Are you stupid?
Okay, she's
stop. Let me deal with this. I said stop. Let me deal with this.
What is going on here?
Rubbish.
Okay. What's happening here?
Nonsense.
Excuse me, wait. What do you take this place for? Huh? A boxing ring? Or do you think that here is a market square? I mean, why will you two be fighting? In the palace, a place for royalty? Now listen to me and listen very carefully. If this repeats itself again, trust me when I say that you both will be fired. I'm not joking.
I'm sorry, my princess. I'm sorry, my princess.
Let's all work in unity. Alright? No fighting, no arguments, nothing of that sort. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, my princess.
And you, Ndidi, why were you going about spreading fake news? Were you there? You weren't, right? So why were you saying someone hit the other person on the ground, someone carried... Why were you saying all those? Were you there? You weren't.
I just heard them quarreling. That is all.
You just heard them quarreling and then you went about spreading fake news.
I'm sorry, my princess.
You should be. Now both of you leave. Leave, just leave. Leave.
I cannot, as a matter of fact, I don't have the time to talk about that now. Yes, I am still angry. What makes Ikemba to think he can override me or intimidate me? Eh? Good enough, you were there. You were at the palace. What did I say wrong that made him to start to attack me? I only suggested to the prince to marry my daughter. And by our standard, my daughter is good enough. My daughter is good enough a wife for the prince. I'm only helping the kingdom and the prince. I only suggested to the prince to marry my daughter. And by all standard, my daughter has what it takes to be the queen of this kingdom. Have I done anything wrong? Oh. It's all right. We shall talk later.
Papa.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Papa, what is all this?
That?
You've not even mentioned to me that the king has a son. Now you're suggesting me to him? How? Without my consent, is that how this works?
Chioma.
Sir?
You are here talking to me that I did not tell you the king has a son. How could I have told you when you never spent your time in the house? You spent all your days with Awele.
Papa, if I stay in the house, what will I be doing for you? Okay, now who will I talk to? You? My going out and coming does not have anything to do with what we are talking now.
It's alright, Chioma. Let's keep that aside. What is important now is you marrying the prince. Oh yes. Once you marry the prince, as he is being crowned the king of this kingdom, you are also being crowned as a queen of this kingdom. And that brings honor to your family. It brings honor to your father. Oh, don't you want to be the queen of this great kingdom? I want. Now you are talking my language.
No, Papa, you should have told me. You should have told me that the king has a son.
Now I have told you.
And I will become your queen.
Oh yes, the queen of this kingdom.
As well. You're not taking anyone's calls, you're not even responding to messages. Osita. Osita.
No, it's okay. I appreciate. Yes, you really tried for me. My dear, everybody I've called, nobody seems to have an idea of who broke into my mother's shop and made away with everything inside it. I am telling you. Nobody, everybody you call, you will say they don't know. No problem, my dear. You won't try. Thank you very much. No problem. I'll call you later. No, try. Thank you.
Chinasa, the things they stole are much. Me, I would advise that we don't give up on our findings.
Don't give up on our findings. What do you want to do? Do you know how many people have called, yet nobody knows anything about it? My dear, I am tired though. I'm tired. I'm just going to leave everything to God. All I know is whoever is involved in this will not go scot-free.
Amen.
Karma will visit that person.
Amen.
That person can never go scot-free, except it's not God that we serve.
And the person will die like chicken.
You need to calm down. You didn't have to go all the way drinking. Listen, it can get this bad at times. And these elders can be really annoying, I know. Elder Agu is the worst. He's controversial. His words can just be very heart-wrenching and all, but afterwards he comes back to apologize. Okay? Don't let it eat you up. Just let it slide. You get used to it, trust me. And concerning the foreigner you talked about, the truth is, she will never be accepted. So please, bro, you need to start looking for someone else. A maiden from this community. Please. Else they'll have no choice than to force a woman on you. And this woman might not even be your spec. Okay? Just try and look for someone else. You need to get a maiden before it clocks day 4. Because that day will be your coronation. Please.
It's difficult. It's really, really difficult. I'm trying my best. My best is not enough. The point is, it's so hard to find the right person. I do not want to end up with the wrong person. It's going to be disastrous. Those are my fears.
Everything will be okay, bro. Trust me. Everything will be alright. Keep searching. You'll find.
Listen, I stink of alcohol. I need to go clean up.
A special maiden who is caring and so smart.
So how many eggs will I buy?
4 now, that's what I told you. And then yam. Buy good one, don't go and buy rotten yam. Eh?
I will include pepper, onions and tomato.
That's true. That's finished. It's a one. Rush, eh?
I will buy 6 eggs.
For who?
For me, you. I will take it too.
If I blow you, is it not me, you and Mama? So who again is eating the egg? My friend, go and buy something. Be fast. Okay. With all the eggs you've been eating, you will not grow fat. Ninga. Be fast. Okay. Bye. Fast, eh? Buy good yam.
Help your brother, please.
Please, I'm hungry. Can you buy something? Nax, hey! There. Mama, babe, give me a light.
Please, can I get something cold to drink? Please, sir, can I get some money to buy food?
Now, what will be your problem now? Allow me to enjoy my drink. Now, what will be your problem now? You be my brother. I know you. Allow me to enjoy myself now.
Please, man, can I get money to buy something to eat? Please, some money, I don't mind how much. I want to buy hungry. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hey. Mala. You know sabi greet, abi? You don't know how to greet, abi? You don't know how to greet.
Good afternoon.
You good morning. Meanwhile, how is my love, Chinasa?
I don't know the love you're talking about.
You did grace? So even if say they wake you from sleep, you don't know say Chinasa and my love. Hey, ma, I tell you, no man go ever cross Chinasa for this community. Hi. Till I go do the person, you no go get himself.
My sister is not your love. My sister is not.
Hey, come, will you shut up? Who say make you talk am? Who say make you talk am? You dey craze? Now you be your sister. You be Chinasa. You don't see where lie on the top.
Hello, sir. Excuse me, sir.
What be your own?
Why are you assaulting the young lady?
I said, what be your own?
Why are you assaulting the young lady? What has she done?
Okay, what be your own now? Who called you for this matter now? What be your own now?
Can you let her go? Can you let her go?
No be say I dey fear you or say you dey like masquerade. The thing be say, na respect I wan respect you. I wan just respect you, make you no be say you die for my hand. Nonsense. Know yourself, oh! Know yourself, oh! Madam, I dey come, abeg. I go bring your bottle back. I dey come, abeg. Come on, there you so.
Did he hurt you?
No, I'm okay. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Sorry.
Are you serious, Choma? I'm very serious. You needed to see me. I was so happy when he said it. And you agreed. What would you have me do? I should have said no. Oh, come on, you know better than this. This is someone I admire from afar. And now have my father's full support to get married to him. And you want me to say no? Not just that. I will also become the future queen of Odogu. Nigodim. Elerele Jolo. Up now. Show. And you want me to say no? My friend, think about something else, please.
Really?
The other day you were talking about me falling for the prince. And here you are dying to have him.
I was joking. You know I was joking then.
Please, don't say such a joke next time. You saw how Chinasa got upset because of that day.
My cousin. Don't worry. She doesn't carry things at heart. I know she must have forgotten about it by now.
Anyway, I remember talking with her the following day. We were laughing and joking on the phone. She sounded as if nothing happened. She didn't even react as if we offended her.
I told you, I know her very well. My father, hold on.
Please, let me get cold something here.
Okay. Hello, Papa. Yes, I will soon be home. Papa, a madman approached me on my way back, saying he wanted to follow me and that he's hungry.
Are you serious?
Yes, Papa.
I hope he did not follow you to know where you live.
No, Papa. But, Papa, I'm worried. He looks like bad omen.
Listen, my daughter. Next time you see such a person, chase the person away. Okay. Or don't even pay attention at all.
Okay, Papa. Yeah, but Papa, he doesn't look mad to me. Though his clothes were dirty and he was looking disgusting, but he doesn't look mad to me.
He may be from another community, because we've not seen nor heard of anyone like that in this community.
Obviously, he's not from here.
Anyway, that is not the reason I called you.
Okay.
Yes. I want you and I to visit the palace so that I can introduce you to the prince.
Oh, Papa, that one?
Yes.
I've met him before.
Really?
I didn't even know he was the prince we were talking about. I introduced myself as Chinasa's cousin to him.
You should have done that.
Why?
Oh, there is every possibility he could be having something with Chinasa without you knowing.
No, Papa. There's nothing between them.
How can you be so sure?
Papa, I'm sure there's nothing between both of them.
Listen, my daughter, let me tell you something. In life, no matter how simple or genuine someone looks, don't trust the person. Because, you see, physical appearance is deceptive. Do you understand me? So don't trust anybody, not even me, your father.
Hello. Young woman, don't be offended. You look very worried. Can I help you in any way? Do you need help?
Do I look like someone a madman like you can help? Tell me.
But I am not mad. I saw you right from there. I came to know if you need help, because I can help you. I'm not mad. I'm just trying to help you.
If you don't leave this place now, I will use this stick on you now.
What? What is it? What is it?
Ogini, don't mind this madman that's supposed to display his madness at the dustbin near here. It is on my body that he wants to display his madness. What kind of nonsense is this? Eh?
Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Please, I was walking and I saw her standing under the tree. She looked troubled. I came to ask if she needed my help. Then she tried to attack me.
I'm sorry about that. Willie, this guy does not look like a madman. Look at him now. His clothes are neat and he speaks fine. You should be taking it easy. I always tell you this thing. You can never tell who will help you. You can never tell where your help will come from. Everything you're being violent about it.
You can take him as your advisor.
Sorry about that. I'm sure she's bothered about something. She's not always like this. So sorry about it.
That's fine. Please, can I get some money to buy food? I'm very hungry.
I really don't have much. I'm actually on my way to where I normally sing and people dash me money. But it's okay. Let me give you the small I have.
No problem. Let me go.
No, it's okay. Let me give you this one. I was supposed to eat with it, but you can take it. When I sing and they give me money, I will buy something, okay? But I don't know if it will be enough to buy anything because it's quite small. Please manage it, eh?
Thank you very much.
It's okay. I'm sorry about my friend there.
No problem.
I enjoyed it.
I wish we pass. Hi, my lover.
Huh?
Chai, it's been long we had this together. I really enjoy myself.
Same here.
See, from now on, you allow all these guys to look at you, not to even. Do you understand?
Never. They will not dare.
Good. Meanwhile, I'm wondering, how do you manage to disengage yourself from the guards?
My love, the chief guard separated us for individual search.
Yes.
To wait for him at the T-junction. So that was when I called you immediately.
Ah! That was a very, very smart move. That was a smart move. This prince that people are talking about, I have not met him in person. If I had known him, I would have called him so that to know if I will be working in the palace. At least be the chief guard so that we will be seeing each other every day.
You're right. That is great. Eh? Look, he's a very understanding person. I think I will talk to Princess Adeze.
Bam!
Yes, talk to him. What about that?
That's it. It sounds very, very good. Very, very good. Meanwhile, what's the name of the prince?
His name is Prince Osita. Look.
Osita?
Yes. You will love him when you get to meet him.
Prince Osita. I think he was once a prince in a Afanasa community, fair in complexion, if I'm not mistaken.
Did you know him?
Not really. I don't know him, but Someone told us about him, but I've not met him one-on-one.
It's fine. My love, let's hurry and go do some more.
Do what?
Before
No, not again.
Let's go and do it.
No. Don't you know what you give? You give me 3 in 1 inside. No. I am full.
Agaba, you know I don't always have this time to see you. Please, this is the only chance I have. Please, let's do this.
Do I have water in my mouth? Am I speaking Swahili or Spanish? Now stop all these things now. I am tired. This thing cannot stand again. You've given me enough for the day.
Agaba, but you're a strong man. You're strong now.
Yes, I am a strong man. Yeah, physically I'm strong. But down there, I want to kill somebody.
Agaba, let's go. Let's go and do this thing one more.
I will shout to. You want to kill me?
No, don't touch me. It's not fair. Let's go and have one more.
What is this now?
I don't know.
You see, I don't like this. We all agreed to meet at this junction. Now where are they?
Call her. What is this? Call her again.
You see, I don't like this.
Just call her again. Let's see.
Switch off. Yeah?
What is her problem? What is her problem?
Hey, sorry, I'm late.
Where's Ogechi?
I don't know.
But we are going to meet here.
Have you tried calling her?
Her number is switched off.
Try again, please. Try.
There's no time at all.
There's no time. Please call her.
Let's go. It's ringing.
Okay.
Hello? Ogechi, where are you? We've been waiting for you. Okay. Alright, we're waiting. Hurry up.
Where is she?
She's close. And you? Huh?
Yeah.
Hey, people have been waiting for me. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry that I kept you guys. Look, I was searching everywhere. It's not my fault, please.
But we tried your number. Your number is switched off.
Look, when I left the palace, is when I noticed that my phone was off. I brought it from my pocket. It was off. It's not my fault, please.
Okay, you excuse this. It's okay. Let's continue the
search. Let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Guys, I've looked everywhere. I did not see him. I've searched everywhere.
Oh, it's okay.
This time we are splitting everywhere. As usual, let's go.
Let's go.
Look, okay. You are going to take. Are we splitting?
Let's go to the front.
Oh no, I don't say that. This is not funny. Honestly, he left since morning. I've not been able to reach him. That's my problem. It's fine. Once he gets back, I'll let you know. But it's not funny. Ebele! Who?
It's Osita.
Coming.
I heard you've been searching for me.
Yes, I have. Sit.
I heard you were searching for me.
Where have you been? We searched everywhere, but we couldn't find you. You haven't even been taking your calls.
I'm sorry. I had to quickly go to Afanasa for something really important.
Alone?
Yes. Something wrong?
Everything is wrong. Have you forgotten you'll be king soon? Need your guards for safety. Fine, even if you want to go to Afanasa, I didn't say you shouldn't go, but at least you pre-inform us. You let us know, you take your calls. But I need you safe. I just lost my dad. We got him buried and I'm not ready to lose you. You're the closest person I have now, please.
I apologize. I promise to carry you along next time.
Are you serious about what you're telling me, or are you joking?
I'm very serious. It's been months now the prince has been searching for a maiden. And I'm certain he will not be crowned king until he found himself one, which he will present as his wife. Aga, but this is my chance to be the queen now. Help me.
Awele, my sister, it is not as easy as you think. It's not that easy.
Aga, but you are my brother. I know you too well. Whenever you are set to do something, you will always have your way to make it happen.
On one condition.
How? What condition, okay?
Now you have to pave way for me to have Chinasa all to myself.
Ha! That one is a difficult task, yo. You know Chinasa doesn't like you. In fact, she hates you with passion.
Your own request is even more difficult than mine. It's either you pave way for me to have Chinasa, and I will pave way for you to have the prince. Or we forget about the whole thing. Let's forget about it. Similarly difficult. Are you ready? Are you?
You know, yes, you know me. Yes, you know. You know, yes, you know me. Yes, you know. You know, yes, you know. We mani unanya no pokuntiti onye uri unanya tisie ikeo makani unanya adaya poke chachao unanya newe tutunu ana becheke unanya mupiano ana becheka ngozi ke mupiano makani unanya magarazo yanaya unanya makayere yanaya unanya mugejo pya muliwe pya kutemu esi unanya unanya itelofumo unanya mo itelofumo Pimuna chopi unanyao, yesi unanyao. Iyo pimuna chopu toki mpuro pimu, yesi unanyao. It's love more. It's love more. Yes, you nanya me. Yes, you nanya. You nanya. Yes, you nanya me. Yes, you nanya. You nanya. Yes, you nanya me. Yes, you nanya. Oh, we mani unanya no pokuntiti onye uri unanya tisie ikeo.
Wow. That's good.
Nice song.
That's good. Thank you. I'm happy you love it. Thank you.
See you next time.
Good morning, Ma.
Good morning, darling. How are you?
I'm fine.
I saw the money you gave me. Thank you so much. What is your name? Oh, that's good. What a lovely name. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the performance.
Yes,
You
great.
Thank you so much. I'm glad you enjoyed it.
And I would love to learn one of your songs.
Are you serious?
Yes, Ma.
Okay, that won't be a problem. But first you have to tell your parents so you take permission from them. That way they will know where you are at every given time. When I'm teaching you understand. It's very important. Huh?
I have new parents. I'm not fine.
You're not fine. I am so sorry. I'm so sorry, dear. So, how were you able to get this money you gave me? Who gave it to you?
It was from one of your fans. The person prefers to remain unknown.
Someone that was listening to me gave you this money to give to me?
Yes, ma'am.
How? Can you describe the person?
I'm sorry, ma'am, but the person prefers to remain unknown. I'm sorry, ma'am.
Oh. Anyway, tell the person thank you, eh?
Thank you.
I'm so sorry, I didn't know you were an orphan.
No problem.
So who do you stay with?
I stay with my elder brother.
Okay. That means you have to take permission from him. Hmm?
Okay.
Good girl.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So I'll be on my way.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Hi.
Hey, sir.
Yeah, good day. Wait. You are the girl I saved from that hoodlum
Yes.
last time with her sister.
Yes, sir.
Wow. I hope he did not come back again.
Not at all. Not at all, sir.
Not at all.
What? Wait. Ebele. My princess. Is that not Obina talking to Isioma?
Yes, my princess.
But
What are you doing here?
I'm actually coming back from my mother's shop, but I'm heading home right now.
So why not come in? Let me give you a lift.
That'll be nice, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm very sure if you're the one, you will look for a stick and eat it. The most painful part of it is that he insisted following me home. That he's hungry, that he wants to follow me home. How now? What would the community see when we say when they see me with a madman? Ha! I didn't tell you on phone. I wanted to see you before I tell you. Tell me again. I am sure he was the same man I saw. You've met him? He came to me and was asking me if there's any way he can be of help to me. Then I looked at him from head to toe. I picked a stick and lashed on him. If not for Chinasa, your cousin, I would have dealt with that guy. See that your sister can be so irritating at times. If you see the way they were talking, as if they've known each other for a long time. I'm sure they went home. Which home? Chinasa's house now. That girl should not even try me. If that girl dares to bring that madman into this house, Makachuku, what I will do to her, she will not even recognize herself. She's not bringing him to your house now. Why are you angry? What's the difference between this compound? This is my compound, this is my father's compound, and this is their compound too. So you want Chinasa to bring that madman to this compound so you will start disturbing me up here? You are right, too. You're right. I'm coming. Where are you going now?
Isioma! Isioma! Isioma!
Shama, where is your sister?
My sister is not around. What of your mother? She's at the backyard.
Okay. Give this message to Chinasa when she returns. Tell her that I said that her mad friend or lover, if I see that guy in this compound, that's what I will do to her. She will not live to explain it to anybody.
Eh? I don't understand. And who told you she brought a madman to the compound? And besides, if she does, you're supposed to be upset about it.
Mwagi, if I slap you, with this your tiny body, you will just vanish.
But you can't just come here and start shouting and accusing my sister for nothing.
Hey, hold on. You're talking back at me.
Yes.
You're what?
Choma. Again. Why do you want to slap her? What happened here?
Mama, I don't know.
Choma! Okay. She's really doing too much.
I just remembered some of today's events. How I professed love to someone very special.
You did what? Are you serious? Ikena, that's so courageous of you.
Mm-hmm.
And I thought you said you don't have friends in this.
I have friends, but not here.
Oh, okay. You don't have friends around here, but you have friends. So, what was her response? What did she say? Tell me now.
The answer to that question lies in your hand.
Special maiden who is caring and so smart.
How? I don't understand.
Chinasa,
Ikena.
do you love me?
Special maiden who is caring and so smart. A loving maiden with a garden of roses.